Today we're looking at part number 3-6. This is your weld-on spring pad seat for your 5-inch round trailer axles with 3-inch wide springs. So just like I said, it's simple. You have a 10K, 12K, 15K, 16K axle or above. These are the pads that you weld onto the axle tube itself where the spring sits on it. So you just weld them right here. Once you figure out your measurements between your springs, you want to weld them on the axle. And then the spring sits right on top of this right here. And the spring bolt that goes through the spring goes right in this hole and sits in there just perfect. And then you put your U-bolts around the axle and the springs to secure it to the axle. So let's check it out. So this guy is 6 inches long by 3 inches wide and 2 inches tall. It's a one-piece design, and the center hole where the spring bolt will go, the center hole on this one is 3/4 of an inch. That's your spring pad. It takes 2 to an axle, or sometimes you'll see one of these on the axle along with an adjustable spring pad which has a little adjuster in the center of it. So if you need any of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.